Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am giving you a FASHOM unboxing, or if you want to go by the name of the app, it's called MyFashom, which sounds so funny for me to say. But it is, they sent these to me. I had a credit from my last video. Thank you guys so much. Let me know if you signed up. I had a MyFashom unboxing last month. So actually, I think it was June. So let me know if you signed up, if you've gotten anything from them. I went ahead and picked out another, or I should say I indicated I wanted another box. So my stylist sent me a choice of items and I picked the 5 that I wanted them to send me. And that's what these are. So I've seen them. I've seen like little thumbnails of them, but I haven't like seen them or looked at them, tried them on or anything like that. So I'm going to do that with you. And yeah, if you're not familiar with MyFashom, they are a styling service. So you can have a personal stylist pick out outfits for you based on maybe for work, maybe for fun, vacation, an occasion you want to celebrate. And it's not really a subscription, and they're pretty new. And they have an app that's really easy to work with. And so it's great. Let's see what they have. And again, they are efficient in their shipping and in their packaging. I really appreciate that. And yeah. So here is my note. Hello, beautiful. It has, this is my receipt, my invoice, I should say, describing the items. And yeah, is there a note? Yes, today's the day. Your FASHOM box full of fabulous fresh clothing pieces has arrived. I had fun personally selecting outfits for you to wear this season. And note, some of our styles run very different in sizing, so we encourage you to try on everything. Yep, that's true. And love Malls. And I think Malls styled me last time too, so that's awesome. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% off discount. There is a style fee that you're charged if you don't purchase anything from your box. Otherwise, the styling fee is waived. So if you refer a friend, you get $10 FASHOM credit, and then they get $10 credit after signing up. And yeah, oh, and if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get 25% off. So that's pretty great, even if you don't keep the whole box. So yeah, and also I think they have a wide variety of sizes. So that's cool too, because they are very body accepting, body positive, and they want everyone to feel magnificent no matter the size. So yay. Here's my cute little brick. Okay, this, oh gosh. So I think this is the Wild Honey lace embroidered maxi dress. I saw this, it kind of looked a little bit peasant-like, you know, on the picture, but I'm like, oh, that has so much potential. It just, to me, has such a great like vibe, kind of vintagey, but kind of boho. So that's what this is. And it's got, is it lined? What is the deal here? Oh, it's just got a lining on certain areas. That's kind of cool. So it's very kind of meshy, and it does have like a sort of underneath. Do you see what I mean? Like the skirt underneath goes just to probably like mid-thigh or knee, and then this goes all the way. And it's, I just think it's kind of cool looking. And it is a size medium. Good, good. I like the flouncy sleeve with the scallop edge. And that is, this is only $45. These are pants, and I love the pinstripe navy action. This is called Umgee. That is a funny name. Ooh, this is a size small, but they do look generous, so that's good. They're a funny fabric. I think it's a polyester. I bet you this is like amazing. You can just throw it in the wash and it doesn't wrinkle or anything. It's got definitely like a weighted polyester feel to it. And it is, okay. These are $42 and they're called their high waist pinstripe pants. Do they have pockets? I think those are fake pockets. Oh, fake pockets. All right, fine. But we'll see. These are kind of cute. They look kind of preppy, so I dig it. We're gonna either look like, you know, grandma going to Bible study or something really cute and preppy. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. No offense to grandma's going to Bible studies. You know what I'm getting at. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cuter in person than on what I saw. Oh, okay, cool. What fabric is this? It's like a shiny cotton. Look at the sleeve. It's got like a little grommet with a tie and a ruffle. Okay, that is just too cute. Look, my mom, it's polyester, but it looks like cotton. Okay, so this is Solution is the brand. This is size small. It's a chambray little blouse. It's called 3/4 peasant sleeve button down top. It's $39. And this color combination is so much fun for me. I love it. So I'm gonna see how that looks, probably paired with white jeans, right? Or white shorts, so cute. I got another dress. This one is very interesting. The colors, oh my God. This is so much fun. Look at this. Okay, so it's a small medium. It's a wrap. Do you see these colors though? How much fun they are for summer. Is it a real wrap or a fake wrap? It's a fake wrap. Okay, so love the color because I just think of what I can what lipstick I can wear with it. And I have some fun big earrings. This is called, what is this one? Short floral dress, $45. So everything is kind of in the $40 range. This is cute. Yeah. Oh, you guys, this color. Look at this color. Oh, this is cute. It's called Naked Zebra. It's a size M. That's good. And it's a sleeveless little button down. Ooh, we got more prep action going. And it is $42. They call it a shirt or tank, which is funny because that looks like a shirt. And it has a covered button, the button placket thing, whatever that's called. Okay, so those are the items, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it to my corridor where I stand in front of my door, and I'm gonna share them. I'm gonna try them on, give you a little mini fashion show, and I'll be right back. All right, so here is that lace midi dress, as it's called, or maxi dress. I don't know, with the midi lace underneath. This is so interesting. I don't think I have anything like it, and the size medium fits me perfectly. It's really kind of cool. I'm trying to figure out, oh wait, is the back sheer? Whoa. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm wearing like a nude colored bra. So yeah, okay. So here it is up close, so you can see the detail, like the embroidery and stuff like that. I love the sleeves. And then let me show you kind of the lower half. It's pretty long on me, but so this is how, see how the underskirt stops and then it's all sheer and there's a slit. So it's just really kind of cool. Let me know if you think I can pull this off, because it is different than my usual. So here's those pinstripe pants and the pink top. I thought at first the pants were going to be too tight because when I like, they're kind of hugging me, but I don't know. Maybe they're better than I think, but I don't know if I like the way they feel. I don't know if I like the fabric, and I don't know if I like them enough on me to kind of overlook that. They're sort of cute, like if I went golfing. That's what they remind me of, like golf pants. And then this is very basic in terms of sort of a smart looking blouse if you wanted to wear it under a jacket and look professional. It's maybe a little too, I mean, I am kind of conservative in my sort of classic fashion choices, but I don't know. This might be a little too conservative. Yeah, so we're, but, you know, let me know your thoughts because I'm always surprised by what you guys say. Here is that little 3/4 sleeve peasant top. The sleeves are so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I could see wearing this with white jeans. Here, let me give a little tuck because these pants are, that's a lot of stripe action going on. I do understand that. I'm just doing that for the sake of not being here without pants. But I do think this blouse is cute. I feel like this is sort of me and something I've had before or would get. So what do you think? What do you think? It's definitely got this like shine, like a, yeah, it's a very odd fabric, I will admit. This is such a fun like patchwork combination. It's the wrap is fake, so it's not going to get unwrapped, thank goodness. Love the orange, kind of orangey red, very much like poppies. Not sure if you can quite see the hem. I like the stripe. It's just really kind of cool. What do you guys think? Super comfy. Like, this is definitely a throw on and go type summer dress. Yeah. Well, there you have it. There was my MyFashom unboxing. Let me know what you think, what pieces I should keep, maybe what pieces I should send back. And I will leave my referral link and everything, all the information below. And yeah, thanks MyFashom for starting me on this. It's so much fun. I mean, I love getting clothes in the mail. Yes, okay. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've subscribed to my channel. I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up. Hey, don't forget, even if you don't like the clothes or you aren't into like unbox like fashion, this particular brand, then don't dislike the video. You like me, right? Oh wow, that's a little pandering. Alrighty, hey, click that bell for subscribing and notifications. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.